Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and resolve unexpected error occurred after login in Rockstar Games Launcher. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, all you want to do is simply go ahead into your Rockstar Games Launcher on the search bar and right click and click on open file location. Once you've done that, simply do that same thing again on your shortcut and you're going to be on this page right over here where on the launcher you want to right click just like that and click on properties. Once you've done that, click on security and click on edit and allow full control on all the systems you're using it for. Go to compatibility, make sure that run this program as an administrator is always ticked on, and once you've done that and it is still not solving your problem, all you need to do is simply go ahead and run command prompt as an administrator just like that and just write netsh. So let me just go ahead and do it for you. netsh space winsock space reset. So simply go ahead and write that and then restart your computer and your problem must be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.